adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to learn how to trigger a program to start using the start on bump block when two characters touch each other. And also, we're going to learn how to turn a character using the turn block. The story behind this project is going to be Kitten playing football with a penguin. So first things first, we need to change the background to a park because that's where they're going to be playing football. Then what we need to do is we need to add two extra characters. So we're going to add a penguin. There it is. And we're also going to add a football. There we go. Okay, so let's move these around a little bit so that they look like they're actually going to be playing. Remember to move a character, we just hold on them and then just move them around. Okay, so we're going to be doing a number of programs here for Kitten and also two for the football. So let's start with Kitten. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the green flag start block. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the movement blocks. And we're going to get them to move, make it walk towards the ball. We're then going to make Kitten wind up to actually hit the ball. So let's get some turn blocks. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use in the red category, we're going to use the stop program block. Now we need to change some of these numbers. So let's change that to a 4 by clicking on it. And we're going to leave the others as they are. Right, let's start by just testing, see what happens. Brilliant. Okay, so reset. So let's move the football across a little bit. Okay, a little bit more, I think. Brilliant. So here we can see that Kitten moves across the screen and then turns. We rotate Kitten to make it look like they're winding up to hit the ball. So let's reset that. Great, fantastic. Now, so what we want to do now is we need to program the football. So we are going to start using a new block, which is this one here, which is a start on bump block. So what we want to do, when we want the program to start is when Kitten touches the football. So when Kitten touches the football, we want the football to move right across the screen and then stop. So let's move them, get the ball to move 7. And then what we want to happen, we've got a second program. We want the ball to roll towards the penguin. And again, we need that to start when Kitten touches the football. So that's a start on bump. Let's get it up. And then we're going to stop it. So let's have a look. Let's change some of these numbers. Okay, and let's see what happens. Brilliant. So we need the penguin to go a little bit closer. Oh, let's restart that. So what we've got here is the ball rolls towards the penguin once Kitten touches it, and also chips up a little bit. So when Kitten's initially hit the ball, so let's go have a look at that again. Fantastic. And we can see the parts that are actually working, the blocks that are working are highlighted. So let's reset that. Look on full screen. Fantastic job. And if we need to edit that, we just go back to our initial screen and do our editing. Great job, well done. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.